Welcome to today's video where we will delve into the art of stock market analysis. Understanding the fundamental principles is crucial for successful stock market analysis. The first principle is to analyze a company's financial statements and evaluate its performance. Key indicators to look for include earnings per share, revenue growth, and debt-to-equity ratio. Another principle is to evaluate a company's competitive advantage and market position. This involves assessing factors like product uniqueness, brand strength, and market share. Technical analysis is another important aspect of stock market analysis. It involves studying historical price and volume data to identify patterns and trends. Common tools used in technical analysis include moving averages, trend lines, and chart patterns. Apart from fundamental and technical analysis, there are also advanced strategies to consider. One advanced strategy is value investing, which involves identifying undervalued stocks. Another strategy is growth investing, where investors focus on companies with high growth potential. Momentum investing is yet another strategy, where investors capitalize on the momentum of rising stocks. Risk management is an integral part of successful stock market analysis and investing. Diversification is one risk management technique, where investors spread their investments across different sectors. Setting stop-loss orders is another technique to limit potential losses in case of adverse market movements. Staying informed about market news and trends is important for effective stock market analysis. Financial publications, news websites, and social media platforms are good sources for market information. Having a well-defined investment strategy is crucial for successful stock market analysis and investing. This strategy should consider factors such as risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Keeping emotions in check is vital for making rational decisions in stock market analysis. Avoiding impulsive actions based on fear or greed is essential for long-term success. Regularly reviewing and updating your stock market analysis strategies is important in an ever-changing market. By constantly refining your analysis skills, you can improve your investment decision-making process. In conclusion, stock market analysis is a complex but fascinating field that requires a combination of skills and strategies. By mastering the fundamental principles and employing advanced strategies, you can increase your chances of success.